Hey, Sam from ThreeDee here. In this short video I will show you a little bit about the humans, the female edition, and you can go to 3D.design and you will see in our module 3D packs you will find the humans. Basically I will talk about the female, but for the male is the same thing, same logic, and also we did a different video just for the male, so you can check it out there. So let's jump to what we have in the pack. We are going to talk about the female human model. You can see in this rotation that it's low poly, it's prepared for the games. I will talk a little bit more about that in Blender and also in the other sections. But you can see this is the rotation of the character of the base model. You see that it's fully rigged, meaning like there is face rigged included. You can change the eyebrows, you can change the eyes, you can move it closer, further. You have full control over here. So it's easy to animate, easy to use in other software like Unity or Unreal. It's done with Rigify, so this is the industry standard rigging system in Blender. So yeah, nothing special. You can see that we have special bones here for the skirt, which can be handy when you are, for example, running in the skirt and you want to have all the possibilities to also animate the skirt. It's low poly. Here is how it looks like. Also everything is low poly, even the assets, and so it's nicely working. It's optimized for the gaming, so we have the 25,000 faces, but you can go even lower if you turn off the subdivision inside the Blender. So it's easy to use, but in average it's about 27,000 polygons, and I used like 8 objects like hair, eyes, body, teeth, and so on and so forth. But you can go even lower if you go, turn off the subdivision in Blender. We have different facial expressions. I will talk about it more, and it's pretty fun because you have predefined poses, like more than 20 poses are there. Different eye types, so you can easily just blink one eye left or right. So we have flat eye, happy, heart. You can change the eyes to money, star, or some different objects. So here in the facial expressions we have predefined eight facial expressions. I will talk a little bit more about that in Blender. Lip sync is super important and super nice to use because you can easily animate the talking character, like it can talk like A, O, L, E. I will also talk in Blender how you can use it. Pretty simple. Important stuff, we rendered high quality PNG files of 3D human model in different poses. The cool thing is that it has Blender files, FBX, so you can use it for Cinema, 4D, Blender, Figma, OBJ, for you can go to Mixamo and animate it, so you get hundreds of animations for free there, so definitely worth visiting. Millions clothing of combinations, so you see that we have hair, upper clothes, also we have legs, I will add it there, but we have also the accessories. The same for male, and you have millions of combinations of 3D character that you can use. Yeah, so that's basically it. This is how it looks like. Some examples, better quality images. So yeah, it's pretty cool. We have more than 40 poses, so let's jump to the Blender. So as I mentioned, you can see, just let's turn this off here, the face orientation, and you see that we have like the 3D character, and on top of that you can see on the left, and let's change, for example, the eyes. So you can easily animate, so you can see like it's blinking like the left eye, you can see here, and I'm just moving with the G, and this is how you can change it. You can change it to flat eye, you can combine them, see, like it's happy, or stars you can put there, or the money, and that's it. So here you will just change the preview and you have the light here. So this is how it look like when it's rendered. The cool thing is that you have predefined poses here, so you just move here and there. The thing is, when it doesn't have the hands, you need to just turn off the masking. It's the same structure what is in Photoshop or other tool that they are using masks. So we are just masking part of the polygon, so they are not interacting with the clothes, and going through, like the skin is not going through some part of the clothes. So this is why we have the maskings here, and you can have, like, for example, mask short, and this part is basically won't collide for the animations. So yeah, that's pretty handy. Let's jump to the facial expressions, because you can easily animate them, and you will just move this thing and it's like getting angry. Let's go closer. You see, this is happy, this is laughing, and you know, like it can easily laugh, can be sad, you know, even cry. So this is pretty shocked, you know, and you have full customizability, and it's pretty handy. We have also the lip sync here, and as I told you before, you can easily make talkative character. It's just O, you know, like O. Something is like L. You see, also the tongue is getting there like L. So it's small details, but it will look cool for your animations, you know, like E. So this is how you can use the lip sync, and even there is auto lip sync plugin out there which you can use, and it will work also nicely with the rig system because it's rigify. But then, you know, like sometimes it's just easier to make it manually, because this will work, you know, it will be super detailed based on how you do it. Okay, so let's check out like the customizations options. As you can see, we have the hair, top, bottom, like basically the legs, and here are the shoes and accessories. Okay, and also we have the hair control. It's here, you know, we have predefined hair, and the thing is that I'm just moving with the G, but you can delete this and you can make your own hair color or whatever you want. Okay, so let's just turn off some, you know, and try some hair types. Pretty simply, you can, you know, again here easily combine them and make it fun. If you want to change also the clothes, it's pretty simple, the same structure. I'm just turning on and off the layers, you know, the dress here. We need to turn off like the clothes so it's not colliding. And also one thing which is important is that we prepared some shape keys which you can turn on and off. You see, the thing is that sometimes you have the pose and you need to turn off the shape key so it will look better. You know, for example, here when it's sitting, you want to have this little bit hole here, you know, so the dress is falling a little bit down, you know, like the gravity. But yeah, it's like different. Let's see, here's this one. So this one is applied to this pose. So and also cool thing is that we prepared for you some yes, this is how you can easily just turn on, and when it's clipping here, you need to turn on the masking. You see? Now let's go to the long sleeve. See, and now it's working nicely. Here, let's just change the shoes, and we can turn on the accessories. You know, see, we have the eyeglasses. It's pretty fun and pretty easy to use. Okay, so yeah, regarding the bottom, the same, like basically it's the same logic over and over again. Like basically we are just changing the layers here and it will work nicely. So yeah, that was basically it. If you have any questions, reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. If you want to learn more about the humans, definitely go to our 3D page and find the humans there. It's 3D models humans. If you want to learn more about what we do, because we have many 3D packs and also single 3D models which are high quality for 3D animations or games, definitely go to 3d.design. Have a great day, stay creative, and bye.